Good evening everyone. This is Dr. Veena Vedekar of Sant Kabir School. I am participating in Chef the Stress competition and the recipe which I have chosen is preparation of a salad. The name of my salad is East meets West with a healthy twist. I have written the recipe here. You can see I have written the ingredients and the nutritional value and the procedure how to make this salad. Having spent so many years in Japan, I have tried to mix two cultures. Myself being Indian and the years I spent in Japan. So you can see me wearing kimono. It's a typical kimono which I had bought it from there. So with wearing kimono, I get a feeling of being Japanese. But the method and the components which we have chosen from Indian background shows that I'm trying to culminate both the cultures. So if you see the lifestyle of Japan, is well known to whole world that how healthy lifestyle they have. They eat food which is very fatless or very less fat, and they try to concentrate on fresh foods, freshly cut fruits. And the preparation is of that type. So today I've tried to make this salad which doesn't need much of cooking, but it is kind of a full food. In this stressful life, we need to have a very nutritious food. A healthy mind requires always a very nutritious food. So by mixing Japanese foods with Indian food, I try to get a nutritious diet which will be very interesting. I think it's a very interesting product which we get here is. So I can just tell you quickly what do I need for this preparation of this salad. I have chosen French beans. They are freshly cut and blanched in water for 4-5 minutes. Then we have 3-4 hours soaked mung beans. Then we have pomegranate freshly obtained. Then we have oranges, and these are wine colored grapes. They are all seasonal fruits, so this is always available. These two will give food which is very rich in proteins. These you can see, this is a very good source of antioxidant. These two, if you see, vitamin C from these two is in huge amount. If you count for all these together, they give a very good amount of dietary fiber. But if you see all of them, they hardly have any fat. They hardly have any fat. They have really 0% cholesterol. Now this can be mixed together with the help of salt. I have taken salt which is not really NaCl. It is a mixture of various salts. Sindha namak and black salt is there. Pink salt is there. Then I have coconut. It's a very good freshly obtained. This is peanut powder, roasted peanut powder. I have black and red chili pepper mixture for our taste. Then this is called as seaweed. This is a Japanese touch which I am giving here. These are all Indian food available. They are available there also, but this is all Indian. We all know about it. This hardly people know. This is called as seaweed. You can see they are obtained in supermarket in the form of sheets. If you go to a shop which has foreign food, you can have this called what do you say, seaweed sheets. And you can see the thin ones, they are obtained from seabed. Now they are called as nori in Japanese. And then we have a special sauce, or you can say paste, which is called as you can just see here, it is called as horseradish wasabi. It's very popular. It has very pungent taste and very strong taste. So this can be omitted if you want to give to children this salad, but if a grown up who like little pungent and tangy taste can use this one. This is simple mustard seasoning in oil with a little of hing as per today. Now let us start the preparation. How do we do it? We just take this bowl, we just put. Now before I start, I would like to wear my lab coat because I just wanted to not lab coat, sorry, apron. I am a chemist, so sometimes lab coat is a very, very common word which comes out of my mouth. So now this is a apron. I would like to wear it so that I don't spoil things around. So I wanted to show off my kimono, so I did not wear in the starting. So now you can see. Okay, now I first will start with French beans. This is 2 cups of French beans which are cut, blanched in water, salted water for say around 4 or 5 minutes. Then I'll put 3-4 hours soaked mung beans. They are 1 cup. I'll mix them together here. Then I have fruits. You can see this is freshly cut oranges. I have not removed the cover of oranges. You can see I've just cut it and de-seeded the oranges. Then I have taken pomegranate. These are wine colored grapes, very much available nowadays. We have taken all seasonal fruits so that children can enjoy this seasonal fruits. Now we will just mix it lightly. You can see if I start with 2 cups, it's quite enough for 3 people or 4 people. Now I will add peanut powder. Peanut powder I have taken is around 1.2, sorry, it is 2 tablespoons. Heap tablespoon, I can see 1 and 2 heap ones. Then you have to add half cup of coconut, so it's all half cup. It's a fresh one. It's very rich in potassium as well as. Then we have little salt. According to taste, we can add it. Now you can see we have tangy flavors here. Then we can add red and black chili powder. It is all up to your taste. You can just put a little bit because you're going to add wasabi also. Wasabi, the horse radish paste. Very small amount. This you can omit if you want to make for children. It will be very strong for them, but we would like to have it. I have to mix it slowly. Now you can see it's a healthy salad. Now if you want to have better taste, then you can add seasoning. I have just kept it optional. Do you want to have it or not? Now you can see getting properly mixed. I have to mix it a little bit slowly because wasabi is a little thick paste, doesn't take less time, takes a little bit more time to get mixed properly with our salad. And you can see, so now we can put seasoning if you want. I want to have seasoning because today I'm not maintaining my healthy, so I can add around 2 small teaspoons of this one. Now let us see, this is ready. Now this is all ready. Now we can just, if you want to add lemon, you can add lemon. I've kept it optional because I've already added a lot of oranges. So little lemon, little sugar can be optional. This is salad, you can make the way you want to make. Okay, now when you want to, this salad is ready. If you want to garnish, you can garnish with the seaweed. Okay, so I'm going to garnish later on. So this is ready. I would like to present my salad. Now if you think of this salad, if you see, a lot of colors are there. The very idea that it's very what do you say, colorful, very good for eyes. Eyes like these colors, children like these colors. Plus the children which don't like to eat lot of dal, they can eat it. Also the very idea that you have so many minerals available in the very small bowl of salad is kind of de-stressing us. So in this pandemic, we need to have vitamin C, we need to have iodine, we need to have magnesium. All these, if you see, this nori is rich in magnesium as well as iodine. Iodine we need for our body, very important. Potassium, all these foods are very rich in potassium. Potassium regulates the blood pressure. Okay, so I think I can present my this one. So I have kept them ready. I'll just quickly make my salads. Just cut it. I want to present it. These are cherry tomatoes which I have just for decoration. They are from my own garden. They are just part of decoration. Children like decoration. So we'll have I think some decorations. Now when you are presenting to children, you can just quickly now it is going to get garnished with seaweed. Now you can see this is ready. I think this is ready to enjoy now. Thank you very much.